Welcome back to Deck Trains, the series where we look at a different train set from the collection each week. It's week 109, and there's only one more after this, folks, so let's get excited? Maybe. In an homage to the Ken Burns effect this week, I will do a James Burns effect. I have a non-running 1970 Fleischmann set, Baby. This is number 1000. It's a Clockwork or mechanical 040 locomotive with tender and 2 gravel dump wagons, a circle of the number 1906 curved fiber track, and a key which happens to be by Schuco. And to date I've been unsuccessful in replacing the mainspring, which was broken when I got it. Anybody have any ideas? So this is Loco number 1260, pulling 2 of the number 1456 dump cars. In part 2, we bring back the Fleischmann number 5569 DB track cleaning wagon. What? No motion? No cleaning? No worries. Obvious that any speed rating for this model is 0. But the other Clockwork locomotive, same type of mechanism, ran at 237 kilometers per hour or 146 miles an hour around the loop. Thanks for watching this week, folks. Please tune in next week for the grand finale of the Deck Train series, at least temporarily, when in week 110 we look at a 1985 Loco set of the DB Ice Generation 2 train. Be safe. Hope to see you next week.